out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my, yeah, it's B.O. I'm out of my B, out of my, I'm out of my mind, out of my mind, I'm out of my mind, G got it, oh my, I was doing fine, once upon a time, till my brain left and it didn't say bye, don't look at me wrong, I'm out of my mind.
So, let's start this. What's your name?
Matthew Augustine, middle initial A.
Alright. And, what's your GPA?
3, I mean 4.0.
Ah,
4.2, actually. First in our school and district.
So, are you in any clubs?
I'm in the Alliance for Global Recognition of Technologically Deficient Third World Countries.
Really?
Yeah, it's taught me a lot.
Wow. So, do you do anything in this club?
We learn about, yep. I think you get the picture.
So, how much of this is true exactly?
Well, my
You're so paranoid of espionage. I'm watching my doors and checking my lines. My brain's on vacation, they're telling me. And I'm bipolar to the severity. And I need medication, apparently. And some military convulsive.
Alright, you both know why we're here. This is because of the murder of the science teacher in the local high school. We suspect one of the students. In fact, we suspect it may be one of you. Did you like your teacher?
I did very much. He was probably one of my favorite teachers out of all of them that I had.
Alright. You there, on the right. What about you?
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah. Did you ever have any reason to get upset at him, like video projects you couldn't get done on time?
Nope, not me. Nope.
No, I've never had any problem with any project he's assigned.
You're at the school at very odd times. Sometimes staying until 5:30, 6 o'clock. Can you both explain that?
Yes, I really enjoy doing my schoolwork and getting everything done on time.
Now that's interesting, because on your last report card, you failed almost every single one of your classes. And I happen to know your father is a lawyer in New York. How could you have a bad home environment to do your homework in?
Like I said, my brothers are very loud, and it just doesn't provide a very good environment. I can't focus. That's part of the reason I failed last marking period.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
In gym.
Yes.
You know, it's funny, the whole time I suspected you.
I am a rebel, but yes, I'm so militant, still eligible for disabilities. I am psychotic, but there is no remedy. This is not figurative, this is literally. If these boys go dumb, I go to the mental facility.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, I'm Barack Obama.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Barack Obama. Nice to meet you. So
Smaller crowd than I
today
expected.
to talk about hope to the American people and change that we need for our economy.
Yeah.
I propose that we better education and we strengthen the middle class and we improve this economy because we, the American people, and the middle class, are number one. Thank you for your time. May I have my money, please? Thank you. Thank you. I'm Barack Obama. I approve this message.
See, man, I'm so out there, I slap vibes with E.T. I don't need a feature, they don't want my eat 'em I like heart when I'm on this beat. If you feel the same as me, then you gotta agree. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind.
Here, a dominant spider monkey struggles to get a slice of banana out of a locked box. When it steps away, a subordinate monkey that was taught to unlock the box steps in and grabs the food. This experiment shows that monkeys keep secrets to get food for themselves.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.